Hey guys, in this video we are going to checking out top 5 best electric scooter review. I made this list on my personal opinion and our research. I have a list of them based on their quality, feature, durability, price and more. If you want more information and updated price on the products mentioned, be sure to take the link in the description down below. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay update latest technology review. So let's get started. Number 5. Hetso G30 Electric Scooter. This electric scooter for adults equipped with 500-watt brushless motor and built-in lithium battery capacity of 36-volt 15Ah, charging time about 2 to 3 hours, the maximum speed up to 21.7 miles per hour, range up to 34 to 37 miles, provides reliable power, speed and battery life. This G30 electric scooter is equipped with a high-definition LED display to check the power speed gears and control ride by using app from your phone, wireless connection, lock/unlock the scooter, headlamp control, customized speed limit, cruise control, and 3 riding modes can be switched freely. This electric scooter has front shock absorber design, allows you to enjoy comfort and smooth on uneven roads. Meanwhile, we also have an extra bag for daily necessities: keys, sunglasses, sunscreen, etc. This electric scooter is equipped with dual braking system, front drum brake plus rear electric brake, as well as bright headlight and tail light to be clearly visible at night, which brings dual protection on your way. Number 4. Kukirin G3 Electric Scooter. The Kukirin G3 features an upgraded high-efficiency controller, allowing for smoother handling of the scooter with a 6-light system. Not only does it light up your road at night for all-around safety, but it also makes your ride more fun. This scooter, combined with 10.5 in pneumatic off-road tires, front and rear equipped with shock-absorbing rocker arms, G3 takes you to conquer all kinds of road conditions. This electric scooter is equipped with a 1200-watt motor and reaches a top speed of 63 km per hour. It has a maximum gradient of 23 degrees. The motor's maximum torque is 38 Nm, ensuring increased performance and a comfortable riding experience. This electric scooter uses a powerful 48-volt 18Ah lithium battery with a maximum range of 50 km on a single charge. Enjoy long-lasting battery life, whether for daily use or long-distance travel, and rest assured that your downtime won't be interrupted while riding. Exact battery life varies depending on driving speed, load, road conditions, and other factors. This scooter front and rear disc brake system provides precise braking control, works well in all road conditions, and can effectively prevent the vehicle from skidding. The engine-off brake function ensures the engine is turned off when braking, allowing you to stop quickly and safely. The swing arm design with front and rear shock absorbers provides excellent shock absorption. Whether in the city or off-road, it can effectively reduce road vibrations and improve ride stability and comfort. Number 3. HXX6 Electric Scooter. HXX6 Electric Scooter is ultra-lightweight and completely foldable, so you can pack it into X6 backpack for convenient travel. This scooter allows for effortless folding and handling, just to be able to get this mini folding electric scooter to the train station and bus stop. The super quiet and powerful 250-watt brushless hub motor allows speeds of up to 25 km/h under certain conditions, easy to remove and replace scooter battery at short notice. This electric scooter is a small electric scooter for adults, one of the best car alternative options you have for last-mile vehicles, perfect for short distances, especially in cities. Public transport combines with backpack scooter likely help you get to your destination way faster with less stress. This X6 scooter battery can be purchased separately, weighing just 22 pounds. This electric scooter is easy to carry and transport, making it ideal for commuters on the go. The double braking system, consisting of a back foot brake and front electric brake, ensures safe and reliable stopping power when needed. Experience added convenience and features such as a waterproof level of IP54 bright LED headlight, quick folding mechanism, advanced shockproof spring, LCD display. Number 2. Awabahn GT08 Electric Scooter. This electric scooter bar height can be adjusted according to your riding habits with a quick folding mechanism that folds and unfolds in seconds. You can put it in the trunk of your car and easily go anywhere you want, taking up very little travel space. This electric scooter is equipped with 5,600 watt motors with a top speed of 43 miles per hour and a maximum load of 440 pounds, powered by a premium 60-volt 27A high-capacity lithium-ion battery. The sports scooter has a range of 40 miles and a maximum climb of 50 degrees, making it ideal for city commuting and off-road adventures. The electric scooter for adults has spring shock absorbers at the front and hydraulic shock absorbers at the back. In addition, the dual braking design of the front disc brake and the rear oil brake can quickly control the speed and achieve short-distance emergency braking. The electric scooter comes with a detachable seat that gives you the option to sit or stand, equipped with 11-inch vacuum off-road tires, covering a wide area. Even when it rains, will not get stuck in the mud. This electric scooter keeps abreast of real-time updates on speed, battery life and speed patterns through the equipped smart LCD display. Advanced lighting systems including headlights, taillights, turn signals and brake lights ensure maximum visibility and safety during night riding. Number 01. Set 10 Plus Electric Scooter. The VSET 10 Plus is equipped with two brushless direct drive motors of 1,400 watt each, powered by a 60-volt battery composed of high-quality cells. Dual hydraulic disc brakes and shock absorbers ensure optimal comfort and stopping power, providing a smooth and safe ride every time. The folding mechanism coupled with a locking pull lever enhances portability, making it a convenient companion for your daily adventures. Ride with confidence in any setting. Front spotlight, rear brake light and turn signals illuminate your path, enhancing visibility during night rides. The NFC key card lock adds an extra layer of security, securing your scooter wherever you go. Enjoy a smooth and safe ride with the hydraulic coil and swing arm suspension design. Elevate your daily commute with a scooter that combines style, performance and versatility, and turn every journey into an exciting adventure, beautifully designed to complement the powerful performance.